say things that I not like. He might have some behavior when I hate and I can address it. You understand me I say? So when you don't ask me about hate, Reggie. You understand me I say? I don't hate none of them, dog. You see me? I don't hate none of them. I like one love story the part over here. Jamie Lee said, why did you do this Alkaline in that studio that day? If you had a follow up for the internet and them something there, since your love mix up, you would have realized me never this Alkaline today.
May I represent for one Media Fox. Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock.
Watch him, in bad mind. The woman of our big house and the woman of our car and the woman of our money. Go ahead, dirty Foota hype, you stink like rate. Smurf Nation say if you got suck your dead mother rate. You remember? You remember? And what me do? Me not say nothing. Me take all I disrespect and me just sit down. I want to see what it happen. I am not rejoicing. Disclaimer, I am not rejoicing. But I have to speak on it. Because it's a testimony. It's the truth. And not even she can come say a lie. Nobody in a Smurf Nation can say a lie. No friends of hers or nobody can say a lie. You understand what I'm saying? So them things I will have as my testimony for sure no say sometime I know the hatred you don't have for Foota, but sometimes I have to listen. Sometimes I have to listen. Because there's a higher power where I communicate through me. It's just the truth. It's just the truth. I lose all my IG page. I'm going to make it bother me. I just start back on your IG page. You may laugh in that comment there now. Rephrase your question. Rephrase your question and I might answer you. When you just asking about the DJ, rephrase your question and I might answer you. I just want people to understand. Say. A lot of times you hear me say some things, you think me not think about it, and say, if me say this, you know, they might go cuss me and they might go bash me. But are the truth and the inner spirit say, me fi say it. Remember Bounty Killer black me can't say nothing from Bounty Killer page. People me and Bounty Killer not dealing now. Zine, remember say, me can't say nothing from Bounty Killer page. Okay, so like how you rephrase that, me can answer you. First, that person I say, do you love Vybz Kartel? I say, no, rephrase your question. And say, I know you don't hate, so you must love. You see me now? Remember, say Kartel I'm a youth. I'm responsible for Kartel in a dance. It's in mainstream dancehall in a Jamaica. I'm responsible. So, you might hear me say certain things sometime, but that's just the truth. That means that I hate him, I want him dead, and none of that. But that's just the truth. And that's why most people hate me. It's just the truth. And me now go make because I want to link with somebody. Me come out here, come live in a lie and be the biggest hypocrite. Me now do that. You see me? So, I just say it go dog. You see me? Like a regular some people message me, dog, you hate the singer. Oh, if you hate the singer, me can't hate my father. My mother apart from about 5-year-old or probably 4 or 5-year-old. Grew up in the same community. My boss, and I never left in my road. I make sure same bus too. So, deep in my heart, I can't hate my father. Because every time I see him accomplish something, I feel proud. If you know, say, me did go through the gate, and I never lock the gate. You see me? I open the gate and make sure I'm forward through. So when I ask them about hate these people, I can't hate them. They might do some things when I hate. See? They might do some things when I don't like. But for say me hate them, no. I can't hate them. You see me? Bounty killer, I can't hate bounty killer. He might do things when I don't like. He might say things when I don't like. He might have some behavior when I hate and I can adjust it. You understand me I say? So when you don't ask me about hate, Reggie. You understand me I say? I don't hate none of them, dog. You see me? I don't hate none of them. I like one love story the part over here. Jamie Lee said, why did you did this Alkaline in that studio that day? If you had a follow up for the internet and them something there, since your love mix up, you would have realized that me never this Alkaline today. We'd have a conversation and say what me think. I said what I thought, what I was thinking. So will you come with that again? You have some song where you want me hear? Me charge for studio session, you know. Me charge for listening session and charge for review. Me charge for everything in the music now. Me not doing no free work for nobody. Me not doing no free listening. Everybody may help this me in the music. So, if you want me to listen to a song, you have to pay me. If you want my opinion on a song, you have to pay me. You understand? If you want me to post a song, you have to pay me. If you want me to link a producer for you, if you call me and say, Foota, you can't link a producer there for me, you have to pay me if you go link the producer. If you want me to ask the artist how much then charge for your show, you have to pay me if you go ask the artist. You understand? Yeah. Okay. Yeah, that person have to get blocked. Obviously, in nonsense. Black. You see it? Sometime you have to yeah, see it? So anything you see, because of how ungrateful people when me helping the music is, me not do nothing free for nobody. See? Once you want me to do something for you in the music where I benefit you, you have to pay me. You understand? Yeah. So I just say thing there. So me just say Anthony Joshua. Me don't know if he did see the video I did the last time. Me don't know if them did tag him. Zine. Me don't know if them did tag him. Me don't know if him hear it. But would I like if him see that one. Zine. Would I like for Anthony Joshua be extremely careful. I want him to be extremely careful, but it's kind of unfair because him have to live. Him have to consume food. Him have to travel. Him have, I don't know. We have to just pray for Anthony Joshua. Zine, we have to pray for Anthony Joshua. And we have to pray, say, the ancestors, them protect him. And the ancestors, them guide him. And the ancestors, them block any form of harm or wickedness where they might bring towards the youth. Today is a perfect example, so the ancestors, them love him. Zine is a perfect example, say, him protected by the ancestral powers. Zine. How much money him give me? Why everything? Well on. Wait there. Well on. Me not understand our people, them, you know. Why everything is about money? Why everything is about money? Me not understand. Why you gonna ask me how much money Anthony Joshua give me? This is not about money, bro. So if you know I'm a black your brother, don't ask stupid question. This bigger than money, brother. This thing here we are going with Anthony Joshua is bigger than money. Crystal Punch, today is not for them. Today is not for them. Okay? This way are going bigger than money. That's why with people they at the stage over there, you know. Because all we can see are money. The accomplishment we see in our life are only things where money can buy. You know what I'm saying? Like, what is wrong with you guys? Everything about money, 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 money. Come on, bro. Like, if your ultimate reason for living is to have money, then I joke thing that. Because money, first thing, your enemy own money. The white man own money. So, if you're not dealing with ancestral powers and spiritual dominance, you already is a waste of time. It's a waste of time. It don't make sense you even there on the battlefield if your ultimate, the highest bar for you are money. Then your enemy already win. You understand me I say? But you ask me how much money Anthony Joshua give me. You can't ask me that, brother. Me use money, but me don't make money use me. Anthony Joshua don't have to give me $1. Zine, Anthony Joshua did something for black people that money can't buy. You know not get what me I say on the last hour. Why not so last? Why would I not get the real thing? What him do in the ring, it was not about the $91 million line. Because him get a script to follow. And he did not follow the script. Him give black people a big victory. That's what we're talking about, you know. You're a million, so she don't love money, so, but you love man. You're a million. You know, say you're a sample. You know, somebody want to want to laugh, car. You know, a serious life, yo. Yo. HQ sound. Probably a join the live late. There is a racial war going on. Racism is active. Even when you see a going in a sports, a racism. When you see a going in the classroom, a racism. When you see a going in the bank, them, racism is high. When you see a going in every entity where you can think of, a race war are going. And the only reason why black people win is because of natural God-given talent. We don't win nowhere else, you know. Want to listen to me, you know. We don't win nowhere else. The only place we win is where God-given talent is measured. If you notice, Tiger Woods, best golfer. Stephen Curry, best basketballer. Michael Jordan, GOAT basketballer. LeBron James, great basketballer. Just notice it. Then you go over soccer. Messi, them are Spanish. Them are light skin, but they're not white. They're not white, you know. Consider them white, you know. Spanish people, them. Zine, Mike Tyson, our boxer, Lennox Lewis, the best. You understand me? I say Serena Venus. It's all over. You understand? Say NASCAR driving now. I want a Jamaican driver, one of the best driver over there. It at this so the Almighty show powers. You understand? In the natural God-given talent. If you feel worry about the money part alone, we can never defeat them. Yeah, somebody said Pele. Pele the greatest. Zine. Pele the greatest. Yeah, Bob Marley the greatest. And then Michael Jackson the second greatest. Zine. So Amanda Hines, big up. So, as me say, not paying none of them there no mind till tomorrow. So, you have Pele, you have Bob Marley, you have Michael Jackson, you have Usain Bolt, you have Chris Gayle, biggest cricketer. You understand what I say? It's in so many departments, you know what I mean? Where tell you say, black people are we run the world. Yeah, Foota out the best selector. You understand me? I say worldwide. So you have to understand the talent is what the Almighty. Yeah, Million, he's black. Yeah. Michael Jackson black, of course. Who say Michael white? Michael just tricky crowd. You understand? And that's why I have to give Bob Marley #1 over Michael. Because Bob Marley never lose himself at nothing. He never cheat the game nor nothing. And Bob Marley music are official music. You understand what I say? Hold on there. It no matter if you want to talk about them a roast breadfruit or not. Your DNA says you're black. See? So, and people don't understand, say, if you're Spanish, you're also black.